If your gimbal is shaking, vibrating, or battery draining fast, you're probably balancing it wrong. Let me show you how to perfectly balance the RS4 Mini in under 3 minutes. Step 1. The preparation. First rule, always mount your camera fully ready to shoot. The battery inside, SD card inside, and the filter on, mic attached if you have used one. And set your zoom when you're using the 24-70. If you are balanced at 24mm, the zoom to 70mm, it goes front heavy. Step 2. The tilt axis. Most important. Unlock the tilt, point lens up and down. If it fails, slide camera back. If it tilts, back slide forward. For the goal, camera stay anywhere you leave it. Step 3. The roll axis. If your camera lens left or right, adjust the roll arm until stays centered. Camera stay level. Step 4. The pan axis. Tilt the gimbal sideways if it swings. Adjust the pan axis. No swinging. Step 5. The auto-tune motors. Now power on, then auto-tune. This lets the RS4 Mini find the perfect motor strength. Start with medium strength for this combo. And that's it. Perfect balance in a minute. Better balance, smooth shots, longer battery, and healthy motors. Follow more for more real-world gimbal tips. This tutorial helps you, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one.